Okay, you can see domain authorities 52, page authorities will be visible when we enter the page. We just enter the home page of it. That's why it's showing just domain authority, number of backlinks, ranking on one keyword, that is, maybe I don't know. Okay, domain authority was high earlier. Now it was same, like it was 12, now still 12. Okay, so you know where you have to take your domain authority. Okay, it should be around 40, 45. Similarly, your page authority as well. Now let me come back to the document, that is on-page SEO. So what is on-page SEO? I have told you. Now next is how to do on-page SEO. In on-page SEO, primarily you have to do 7 activities. I can say instead of 7, you can say 6 also as well. Okay, 6 activities. So first activity is keyword placement. So the keywords which you have selected over here, you have to use them and place it. Now keep one thing in mind. You have to prioritize your keywords over here, which is on priority 1, which is on priority 2, which is on priority 3 and 4 and 5. Why these priorities required? These priorities are required so that you know where to use which keyword first. Okay, like out of these keywords, I would love to use the keyword which says cheapest home loan or lowest home loan. These will be my priority 1 or priority 2. Why I'm keeping them on priority 1 and priority 2 is of one simple reason. It contains this keyword as well and somewhere interest rate as rates as well. Okay. Second is their competition is very low. So the chances of ranking them are quite higher in short span of time. So our focus should be first on those keywords where the competition is less. Okay, if we rank on them, it's become easier. The ranking on these keywords is easier, so we will prioritize the list based on that. Okay, so this is how we set up our priorities. Okay, next, let's go back about keyword placement. So in keyword placement, give me a second, guys. Okay, in these 6 activities, keyword placement, the first activity, keyword placement, can be done at 8 places. So one by one, I will tell you each one of them. Okay, give me a second. Let me also format the content as well. Okay, so that whenever you get content, it should be super clear and it can be easily indexed to you. Okay, next is what I was talking about. Okay, then it's so small, not readable. I will do the formatting later. Okay, so let's start with keyword placement. The first place is title tag. Okay, now what is title tag? Let's take an example. Let's take a different example. Let's say buy organic food. This is a keyword on which I want to rank. Okay, there is one page which is ranking I say organic by fresh and certified food online. Then another one which says best buy best organic foods and products online in Delhi. Gurgaon or something. Then is our well-known brand, that is Big Basket, and then we have LBB also. I was not aware of that. And then NDTV, Style Craze. These are the different websites that's recommending where you can buy. Okay, what you see over here on the top, I say organic, buy fresh and certified foods online, is you can't see that text. If I copy that text here, most of the times you can't see that text on the page. Okay, so where this text is placed? This text is placed over here. Okay, fresh. Sorry, I'm saying fresh. Buy fresh and certified organic food online. I say organic. It got just reversed. Google reversed it. Uh, or you can see it over here also. In when you press Control U, you will reach to the coding of that page, and over here you see title. Okay, let me zoom it more so that it is visible to you. Title: Buy fresh and certified foods online. I say organic. Okay, that's why Google has jumbled it. Sometimes 90% of the times it takes it what exactly we write 99% times, but sometimes they change it. Like in this case of in case of this I say organic, it has changed. But let's say in case of Big Basket, let's see what Big Basket was. Buy organic grains and staple foods. So if you find buy organic grains and staple online at best prices. Okay, exactly same. In the case of IBB also, you can check it. Oh, when you make such. Okay, over here, if you can see, the title is ending. It's a little complex also. Okay, buy organic products online from these 8 stores. I believe this was the title. Buy organic products online from 8 stores. Okay, so their website is a little complex. That's why it is coming like that. But generally, it is not complex for most of the websites. So this is known as title tag. Title tag is very similar to the title of your book. Like based on the book title, you decide that whether you want to study that book or not. Similarly, Google identify that page is worth for my users to read it or not, whether I should rank it or not, is based on the title. A lot of things. Because if title is not answering what user is looking, then it's a waste. If it doesn't contain the keyword, it's a waste. If it is adding no value to user, it's a waste. Okay, so it depends on all these 3 factors. So you have to keep in mind while creating a title tag. For example, is there any example? Like for digital marketing keyword or digital marketing agency keyword, the title could be Best Online Digital Marketing Agency Service and Service Provider in India. Like in the case of our keywords, that is these 5 keywords, tell me what should be your title. But before you tell me the title, I want to tell you couple of things. The first thing is ideally the title should be of 65 characters. It can't be greater than that. Why it can't be greater than that? For simple reason. If you write a longer title, what happened with Big Basket is it truncated. So sometimes it's truncated and you can't read it properly. Okay, a user does not get the sense of it. So to avoid that, you should try to write always the title within 65 characters only. Okay, do not go beyond that. This is tip one. Second tip is it should contain the keywords which you are looking to target. Do not include all the 5 keywords, include 1 or 2 or maximum 3 keywords. And fourth, keep the user experience in mind. It's not about writing all the 3 keywords. Let's say cheapest home loan, comma, home loan interest rate, all banks, comma, lowest home loan rates. No, it should make sense to the user while reading it. It should not be like bus keyword dal diya and it's over. No, it should be it should be readable. It should be have value in it, like this. Top 5 banks home loan interest rate. Home loan interest rate at the rate 7.25. Compare current rate. Home loan interest rate. Compare home loan or home loan. Apply a housing loan only at 7.25. Okay, so you have to understand this thing while writing it. So everyone on this sheet start writing it. Just put your name over here, and everyone start writing your names, or let me take it from the attendance sheet, which nobody is marking their attendance. Okay. So against your name, okay, what you have to write is title. So write the title. I want to understand how good you are at thinking. And the character limit. Keep in mind the character limit is 65 characters. How to count it is very simple. If you're writing on Word, write on Word, select that, click on this 9 words, whatever it is, and then it says 57 characters, and you will count it with spaces. Okay. Now do it, write the title of it, everyone.